Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to build a tree map visualization in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is the Complete Pokémon dataset. So first what I'll do is I'm going to drag and drop this Complete Pokémon dataset into my open section here. And then Tableau would read in this dataset for me and create this orange tab called Sheet 1, which is going to be the worksheet that I will be using today. So I'm going to click on Sheet 1. This will take me to my worksheet, and then I can start building my visualization to create a tree map. So the first attribute I'm going to use is going to be the name attribute here. I'm going to drag and drop that into the marks section, and there's an option here called text. So first it's going to show me all the names for all the different Pokemons. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop base total here to color. And so what this will do is color each of the Pokemon names based on the total base total value. We can see that it creates a color scale here from 180 to 780. And I'm going to drag base total again here to size. And what this does is creates each shape, which is a square or rectangle. What it does is this creates a rectangle shape, and the larger the rectangle, the larger the base total value for that particular Pokemon. So we can see here in the far top left-hand corner, Mewtwo has the highest total base total value. As we move towards the right, the bottom right-hand corner, these Pokemons have the smallest base total value. And the smaller the base total value, the smaller that rectangle will be. We can also change the base total aggregation from a sum to other aggregations like an average or median. So to do that, we can click on this drop down. First for color, we'll go to measure. Currently the aggregation is sum. I can choose the option here, average, and this will change the aggregation to average. And I can then also repeat the same for size. And this will change the aggregation here to an average. And so there you have it. This is how you can create a tree map visualization in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.